In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Indiamart with Shopify. If you're looking to streamline your sourcing process and connect with a vast network of suppliers seamlessly, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step and explore how this integration can enhance your business operations. Indiamart is a leading online marketplace in India that connects buyers and suppliers, spanning a diverse range of products and services. On the other hand, Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platforms out there, powering countless stores with its robust and user-friendly features. By integrating Indiamart with Shopify, you open the door to an expansive market of products that cater to your needs and preferences. Let's start by discussing the Indiamart product sourcing app designed specifically for use on Shopify. Created by Indiamart Intermesh Limited, this app equips you with the tools necessary to streamline your product sourcing. It's free and available on the Shopify App Store, making it both accessible and cost-effective. The app allows you to post your unique product requirements, whether you're in search of raw materials or finished products, directly from your Shopify store interface. This capability facilitates efficient communication and negotiation with suppliers, meaning you can focus more on growing your business and less on logistics. One of the standout features of this app is its connection power. It enables you to initiate contact with suppliers, negotiate pricing, and arrange delivery terms that suit your business model. With over 100,000 product categories available through Indiamart, you're not just limited to a handful of options. Instead, you gain access to an expansive array of products across various industries, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for. While it's worth noting that the app doesn't sync products directly to your Shopify store, it provides the necessary groundwork to efficiently source and manage your product imports. This means that once you identify the right product through your negotiations, you would need to manually upload these sourced products to your Shopify listings. Now, let's talk about the installation process. Installing the Indiamart product sourcing app is straightforward. Head to the Shopify App Store, search for the app, and follow the simple installation steps to integrate it with your Shopify store. Once installed, you can begin leveraging its tools to optimize your product sourcing endeavors. So, there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to connect with a vast network of suppliers and enhance your sourcing process through the Indiamart product sourcing app on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting, this integration can make your product sourcing more efficient and effective. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content that will help you take your e-commerce game to the next level. Until next time, happy sourcing.